How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to get bigger lips without surgery. So I got probably about 15 comments slash messages slash emails about my lips. People asking how to get bigger lips, more full lips, you guys. So I really appreciate that you guys are taking an interest in my lips because I do take care of my face, you guys. I do certain male hygiene stuff to make my face look better, stuff like that. It's just taking care of your body just like you do with your fitness. You work out, you eat properly, you stay hydrated. So in this video, I will give you a ton of different tips that you guys can use if you guys are trying to get that bigger, fuller lips, or if you're just trying to increase it just even a little bit. You want to just maybe nicer looking lips. It doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, because some people, they have really skinny lips. They don't like that. They want to get them a little bigger. So we can make them fuller, you guys. Some people think it's impossible to do without surgery. That is nonsense, you guys. Anything that you want to do is possible if you believe, you guys. Just remember that. So the first thing that we are going to start off with, the first tip, is going to be hydration, you guys. Make sure you are staying hydrated. Now people are gonna be like, why? Like, that doesn't matter. Get on to the next tip. Doesn't mean shit. Your body is, I think, 78% of water. It's mainly water, you guys. Your body is water. So if you are dehydrated, your lips will look more pruny. They will look more thinner. They will not look to their fullest potential, you guys. Being hydrated does help fullness, believe it or not. And not only that, but being hydrated in general will make you feel better throughout your day. Trust me about this. I never used to track my water, didn't care about water, started drinking water, started tracking how much water I was drinking, so I was doing it daily. Guess what? Everything in life was better. I wasn't feeling sluggish anymore, wasn't feeling tired, super energetic. Everything about me, my skin was better, lips better, hairline was better. Everything is better if you stay hydrated. I cannot say this enough. Second tip, you guys, is going to be exfoliating with sugar. That is right. Some people are gonna be like, what are you talking about? Sugar makes it so that when you are exfoliating, it makes your lips fuller, you guys. This has been proven by a lot of different people. A lot of people do this. It's one of the things that I've tried myself. It does work, so give sugar a try. Third tip is gonna be honey. What? Honey? That is right, you guys. Honey will make your lips super moist, you guys, making them fuller, making them look better. Honey is super sick. Not only does it taste good, but it can help your guys' lips. So make sure that you guys give that a try. Fourth tip, coconut oil. Coconut oil for exfoliating your skin. So just like the sugar, coconut oil can work as well. Coconut oil actually has a ton of benefits. It's also a healthy fat as well. So if you guys are trying to get some more healthy fats in your diet, coconut oil is amazing overall, and it tastes good. It tastes amazing. If you guys have not tried coconut oil, I highly recommend that you guys pick some up, start drinking it, and then also start applying it, you guys. Coconut oil is crazy. Okay, wait. Did I say to drink the coconut oil? I don't think you can actually drink it. I think you just put it on salads, stuff like that. So don't drink it. Okay. Fifth tip, you guys. The fifth tip, peppermint oil. That is right. Apply peppermint oil to your lips. What? Now, for the guys watching out there, they're probably thinking right now, wow, like, you're giving me some girly tips. Like, let's be honest, you guys. It doesn't matter how girly the tips are or what's going on. Does it work? Will this work? Coconut, exfoliating with sugar, peppermint oil, these things will work. Drinking water, these things, I cannot say this enough, they will work. The peppermint oil too gives you a soothing effect on your skin, so your lips will feel really soothed. They will feel smooth, and they will feel really good, you guys. So I highly recommend giving that a try. Another tip, and I'm not doing this right now just because I kind of want to grow out my beard a little bit, but make sure you are clean shaven, you guys. That is right, clean shaven. Now people are gonna be like, why would you want to be clean shaven for your lips? Like, why does it matter? By being clean shaven, you guys, it puts all of the emphasis on your lips. Like right now, you see a little bit of emphasis on my beard, this area right here. chin strap, little mustache, little beard down here. When that's gone, all the emphasis is on here. That's why when people shave, they're like, wow, you look 5 years younger. It's because they're starting to look at your face. They're not covered by that beard, you guys. So really make sure that you are clean shaven. That's when I noticed that I was getting the tips, you guys. So make sure that you guys are clean shaven. You will notice a world of difference in your lips. That's for me anyways. I also noticed too that I get a ton of compliments on my age when I am clean shaven. When I have my beard, you guys, I'm going in the liquor store, I never get ID'd. Ever, ever, ever. I'm 25, by the way. When I'm clean shaven, boom, every single time, ID, you guys. They're like, wow, this guy looks super young. Like, he looks real, like I look baby faced, you guys. And that's without the chin strap or the mustache. So make sure you are clean shaven. You will notice a huge difference. So those are about 6 tips that I gave you guys. Please try out all those tips. Let me know what works, you guys, because in my opinion, all of them will work to some extent. Some may work better than the other. It all depends on your body. So again, some may work for some people, some may work for some other people, some may work a little bit better, a little bit worse for each different person. Everyone is different, so make sure give them all a try. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of my tips, my videos so far. If you guys have any other suggestions you guys want me to do, comment below, I will do them. So end the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks for watching.